Long vowel says its own name. Do you agree? Let's discover. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Asia Learning World. I hope you all are doing great. Let's discover the secret of long vowel sound. Today, I'll teach you 5 long vowel sounds just in 1 minute. After this, you'll read English words much more easily. Let's start. A, long A, cake, plane, grave, lake, name. E, tree, B, cheese, key, C. I, kite, bike, light, tiger, ice. O, rose, boat, home, note, home, bone. U, cube, tube, flute, music. Did you notice something? Every vowel says its own name, so it's true. Now you know the 5 long vowel sounds. Practice these words every day. Your pronunciation and reading skills will improve much faster. Comment your favorite long vowel. Like, share, and subscribe to Asian Learning Word for fun phonics, English grammar, vocabulary, and speaking lessons. Thank you.